What is going on, everyone? Joe here today with a quick video discussing what has been the last 4 weeks-ish since after I came back from LA, Glamcation, everything else in between. I did one whole video. I think I'm going to start making these a regularly thing every month if enough fragrances come in / purchase. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Up first, I'm gonna get the atomizers, the decants out the way. I recently received this along with 2 other fragrances because I want to give away with MaxAroma off of their Instagram page. This is for Primera Perfumes. You do know I'm very well versed in Primera. But I wanted to take a moment to kind of show off how nice the atomizers were. These are like leather. These are some fancy atomizers, not gonna lie. This one in particular is Vetiver Amber, one of the ones that I had not had a chance to try. But I do like amber fragrances, and we will be approaching the fall. These are 5 ml travel sprays, but nonetheless, I just wanted to take a moment to shout out MaxAroma. The other one that I got was Smoky Jazz, which you know is one of my favorites. I already have a bottle of it, but who knows? Maybe I'll keep it, maybe I'll give it to somebody. We'll see. And then the last one being Royal Vetiver. I'll save this for a review of some sort to discuss. But yeah, Royal Vetiver, all of them, like I said, come in this type of packaging. Vetiver Amber, I'm really excited for them. You may or may not have seen the live stream that I did like last week or so, where I covered a few of their fragrances. They were sent to me for PR, for review, and plus, you know, just good karma, good energy. So I'm not gonna spend too much time with these, but Egyptian King, I have to spend some time with. It just became hot again here in New York, so I'm not able to discuss these in full, but this was like a slightly musk oud type of fragrance. This was one of their originals. I looked at this, it's kind of spicy, a little bit of vanilla, but when I was deciding what fragrances I ultimately wanted, I looked at this, but then because I was intrigued by the name, but I decided to hold off on this. I did like it though. Then we had the original Hafez 1984. This is like their flagship fragrance, the one that is like their best seller or one of the best sellers. This was good. This almost had me regretting which one I did choose. And then Omerta. Omerta is really good. I think Hafez you could get away with right now in this transitional fall weather we're going through, where it's like 1 week 30, 40 degrees, then the next week 80. Something like Omerta you'll have to wait until the fall for, when it's actually fall, maybe even winter. A little bit more of an ambery, spicy, woody fragrance, but overall definitely glad to have those so I have a chance to experience them. Now to the full bottles that Alexandria sent me. Their inspiration of Gucci Pour Homme 2, the Pour Homme, Le Pour Homme. This is a pretty spot on, you know, inspiration of obviously Gucci Pour Homme 2. Longer lasting though, which I appreciate because I needed that in my life. And this is sold out, so I'm even more grateful that it was given to me as a gift. And then there were a couple of 60 ml bottles that they did send over. 2 of them I personally picked out myself. One of them I am glad that they sent it to me because I've been trying to experience the fragrance. And with the amazing help of what will be Allie when she comes back, Doc Fragrance, make sure you follow her. Another video will be coming soon. That fragrance, Fire of God, their inspiration of what would be, you know, Stephen Humphrey Lucas's got a fire. Really intrigued. I like the smell of this profile. Probably would prefer it a little bit more on a woman, but I'll have to wait and see. I may, while it's still a little bit hot, take advantage of it, rock this one of the next couple of days. And the two that I was most excited for, especially this one, you might have seen my short little movie reel thing that I did. You might have seen my live stream. I have glowing things to say about their latest fragrance, Work Hard, Stay Humble. A really good earthy tobacco, oak, slightly tonka bean sweet fragrance. This is fall. This is fall. This is masculine. I'm looking forward to it dropping a little bit more so I can bring this out again. But this was really good. A little bit of spice going on. Yeah, really good stuff. And one that I enjoy because I have this thing for coffee fragrances. Hafez 1984 Intense. Like I said, it is different from 1984. Hafez 1984. This is much more aromatic. This has oud and coffee, a little bit of rose. This is good. Really, really good stuff. Once it gets a little bit more cooler, I'm definitely gonna break that out too. And then two fragrances. One of them was sent for me to review as well from an amazing brand that I'm looking to get more into, from the house of Memoirs of a Perfume Collector. If you don't know who they are, you're gonna learn. But this one in particular is A Night in Marrakesh. Good quality fragrance. I cannot wait until it does turn fall so I could bring this one out. A little bit of coffee, some oud also. Noticing a theme here that I'm going for this year. Spice. This is really good stuff. Thank you so much for sending me a bottle. This one, I've fell in love with the brand after trying Origins of a Perfume Collector, Origins of a Collector. Yeah, it's Origins of a Collector. Memoirs of a Perfume Collector, Origins of a Collector. Anyways, or also known as London, because they're based off of different countries and cities and stuff. But gotta add that one. This is a great addition. This is one of the ones that put them on the map. So like I said, thank you to Memoirs of a Perfume Collector for sending this my way. I will wear it, I will cherish it, and more importantly, I will review it very soon. You will get my unAVERAGE thoughts once the temperature drops a little bit more. And as far as all these transitional fragrances, I think this might be the best already. Now, I've spoke a lot about it. You've heard me speak a lot about it. If you've watched my lives, if you follow me on Instagram, if you even listen to Rico from Fragged Out Swagged Out, what's up, bro? Nika Tomavicci's Zenobia just released. Talked about this brand because, as you know, I have Empyrean right here in a travel spray. But the notes of this compelled me to want to purchase this first. Yes, purchase. I wasn't sent this one. This is good. This is really good. And the packaging is amazing. Look at all this gold. This is 100 ml greatness. Wow. Great job, Blue Eye. Great job to the whole team of Tomavicci. I'm impressed. And I smell great. Orange blossom, slightly vanilla, amber, but like an aromatic version. This you need in your life. There you have it. There is my mini haul in a way for the month of September. Have you purchased anything lately? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried any of the fragrances that I mentioned? Let me know in the comments down below. Or are you intrigued by any? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching. My name's Joe. I will see you in my next video.